Suresh VS. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are to start a new lesson from your textbook Hornbill. It's your second chapter. The title of the lesson is We Are Not Afraid to Die If We Can All Be Together, written by Jordan Cook and Alan East. We are not afraid to die if we can all be together. A nice quotation. Somebody told such a way in this story. We will see that. See, it's a very adventurous and exciting story. But the vocabulary used here is really hard. So please give your full attention. Let us go through the story now. In July 1976, my wife Mary, son Jonathan 6, daughter Suzanne 7, and set sail from Plymouth, England. Set sail, that means started sail. The narrator says that along with his family, including Mary, his wife, son Jonathan 6 years old, and Suzanne, daughter 7 years old, they started sail or a voyage from Plymouth, England. Why did they start this journey? It was started to duplicate the round the world voyage made 200 years earlier by Captain James Cook. It was to duplicate, that is to follow or copy, or it was to follow the real voyage made by Captain Cook 200 years before. That means they wanted to do the same voyage did by whom? Yes, Captain James Cook. He had made the voyage same way. For the longest time, Mary and I, a 37-year-old businessman, had dreamt of sailing in the wake of the famous explorer. See, Captain James Cook, he was a great explorer, एक बहुत बड़ा explorer था. उसने 200 years before उसने क्या किया था? ये sail किया से he made a round of the world. Okay, so इनका dream था. It was their life longest time. That means for the longest time means a lifelong ambition. ये हमेशा के लिए उनको एक इच्छा था, ambition था. Captain James Cook जैसे ये दुनिया घूमना है. Okay, they wanted to sail. And you see that the narrator was 37 years old businessman, and they dreamt of एक स्वप्न देखा था क्या है? Sailing the wake of the famous. The wake of means the path of, sailing the same path of great explorer James Cook. And for the past 16 years, ऐसे नहीं एक दिन उठा के okay चले traveling start करते. No. For the past 16 years, they had done hard work for it. They had tried to develop their maritime skills. For that, they tried their best. We had spent all our leisure time. उनका सारे leisure time उनके लिए use किया. That means honing our screening skills. That means they sharpening their skills in the sea. Or we can say that sharpening their skills in traveling the sea. They had spent almost 16 years free time in British waters. Our boat, Wave Walker, for that they made a boat. So the name of the ship was Wave Walker, remember it. And it was 23 meter and 38-ton wooden light beauty. It was a beautiful ship made up of wooden frames which has got 23 meters length and 30-ton weight. And it has been professionally built as Alto 9. It was made in a professional way, and we had spent months fitting it out and testing it in the roughest weather we could find. ऐसे नहीं, बहुत सारे महीने उसके लिए spend किया. They spent months उसको fit करने में, as well as उनको test करना है, experience करना है, वो भी एकदम roughest weather में. That means they had experienced it. They had tested the ship in the roughest weather. So at last they started the journey in 1976 July. The first leg of our planned 3-year that is 1,05,000 kilometer journey passed pleasantly as we sailed down the west coast of Africa to Cape Town. So their journey from, yes, the west coast of Africa to Cape Town, that was about 1,05,000 kilometer journey. That was really a pleasant one. They traveled without any trouble. So that was their first leg, that is first part of the journey. Unga first part of journey, Kansakandak, 1,05,000 kilometer, Africa से Cape Town तक journey एकदम smooth था, कोई दिक्कत नहीं था. There, before heading east, we took on 2 crewmen. From there, Cape Town से उनके साथ 2 sailors को भी साथ में ले गए. That means they had hired 2 salesmen or crewmen with them. Why? Their names were, remember their names? American Larry Vigil and the Swiss Harbor Seigler. And one was from America, his name was Larry Vigil, and another was one Herb Sailor from Swiss. And you see that their help had been taken, क्योंकि उधर से आगे journey बहुत मुश्किल वाला है, मुश्किल होने वाला है. And to help us tackle one of the world's roughest sea, the Southern Indian Ocean, because their journey from there was through Southern Indian Ocean, and that has been considered as the roughest ocean in the world. Okay, सबसे roughest sea है Southern Indian Ocean, इसलिए उधर से जाना मुश्किल पड़ते हैं, and they had to get the help of 2 crewmen to tackle this sea. Tackle means deal with or face, in order to face this roughest weather of the sea. On our second day, out of Cape Town. So Cape Town से journey start किया. On the second day of their journey, they began to encounter strong gales. एकदम strong gales को, मतलब very strong wind को face करना शुरू कर दिया. For the next few weeks, they blew continuously, or not only for next few weeks, they say continuously blow किया ये wind. Gales did not worry me, but the size of the waves was alarming. But you see that the waves actually did not worry the narrator. वो ज़्यादा mind नहीं किया gales को, strong wind को, but he was frightened after seeing the waves. Oh, huge waves उनको बहुत डराया. And they were about 15 meters high. ये देखो अपना घर से भी ऊपर 15 meters high as the height of our main mast. You see that main mast, that is the pole that is centered. Okay, that is fixed at the center of the ship. वो ship का center में जो fix किया हुआ long pole को mast बोलते हैं. उसको इतना height में waves था. December 25 found as 3,500 kilometers. Then east of Cape Town. By 25th December, they had traveled almost 3,500 kilometers away from Cape Town. Despite atrocious weather, atrocious means very bad or hostile, or even though it was hostile weather condition एकदम alarming as well as hostile था, फिर भी they celebrated Christmas all together, and they had a wonderful holiday complete with a Christmas tree. And with making Christmas tree and all, they celebrated Christmas very well. New Year's Day, so no improvement in the weather. अभी January 1st हो गया, New Year's Day, weather में कोई improvement नहीं था. But we reasoned that it had to change soon. लेकिन हमने सोचा, हमने calculate किया, immediately a weather change हो जाएगी. Yes, and it did change. As they expected, the weather had changed. Weather change हो गया, लेकिन it was not for good. अच्छा के लिए नहीं था, for the worse. At dawn on January 2nd, today, January 2nd, the waves were gigantic. Waves एकदम बड़ा हो गया. Gigantic means very huge, very big. We were sailing with only a small storm jib and were still making 8 knots. And now you see that they were sailing with a small jib, storm jib. Jib means a triangular sail that is fastened or tied into the mast. Or we can say, and it is used for the forward movement. And they had a small storm jib, एक छोटी सी storm jib था, and with that they were making about 8 knots. 8 knots, that is sea miles. Knots, that is sea miles. Okay, like our kilometer, miles and all. And they were able to make 8 sea knots. okay, with that small storm jets. As the ship rose to the top of each wave, we could see endless enormous sea rolling towards us. जब waves को ऊपर ship आ जाते हैं, so that time they were able to see, आगे देख सकते थे, the enormous, very huge sea. Sea here means sea waves rolling towards them, roll करके बड़ा बड़ा waves आगे आगे आ रहे हैं, उनका सामने आते हुए देखा जब ये waves को ऊपर आने का टाइम पर ship. And the screaming of the wind and spray was painful to the ears. The screaming means the howling, or हवा का आवाज. The calling of the wind as well as the spray of the shower of the water, that was really uncomfortable or paining to their ears. To slow the boat down, we dropped the storm jib. उन्होंने सोचा बोट का और शिप का स्पीड कम कर देते, उसके लिए उन्होंने स्टॉर्म डाउन कर दिया. What did they do? The storm jib को ड्रॉप किया. And lashed a heavy mooring rope in a loop. और इसके बाद में they lashed, lash means a fastened, बांधा, lashed on a heavy mooring rope. You know that a mooring rope, that is the rope or the chain used to fasten a boat to fix in a place. So बड़ा rope समझ लो, और rope से उन्होंने बांधा, किधर से? In a loop across, in a loop. You see that loop means a ring shaped fastening, और ring shaped fastening का through पूरा ship का पीछे side, the back side अच्छा से बांध कर रखा, across the stern. Stern means the back part of the ship. Then we double lashed the everything. उसके बाद में उन्होंने सब everything they double lashed, double fastened everything, क्योंकि उनका protection that was important for them, or they wanted to make sure that nothing should happen to the ship. And went through our life raft drill, that is inflammable boat. They had examined their inflammable boat, then attached lifelines. The lifelines, you see that the rope that is used for saving the drowning people. जब पानी में drown होते हैं उसी टाइम में सेव करने के लिए जो rope attach करते हैं, that rope was attached with their body. And oil skins and life jackets. The oil skins, you see that the water, proof coverings as well as life jackets already you know, and they had worn all these things. Don't means put on. Yes, apparently. And afterwards they waited. The first indication of impending disaster came at about 6 p.m. The first indication, the first sign of impending means aane wala, okay? The disaster means misfortune. So the misfortune, the bad luck. So the impending or aane wala misfortune, the imminent misfortune, uska sign aa gaya 6 baje, 6 p.m. With an ominous silence. What was the thing? There was a complete silence. So पूरा silent हो गया, अभी waves भी नहीं, storm भी नहीं, कुछ भी नहीं. The wind dropped. अभी हवा बंद हो गया, and the sky immediately grew dark. Sky एकदम अंधकार हो गया. Then came a growling roar. Immediately there was a sound, an increasing roar, and an enormous cloud toward aft of the ship. Aft means back. Immediately they felt that there was a huge cloud just to backside of the ship. With horror, I realized that it was not a cloud. पहले narrator ने सोचे cloud है, लेकिन with the fear he understood that it was not a cloud, but a wave like no other I had ever seen. It was a wave like that he had never seen. It was a huge wave. Just it appeared perfectly vertical, और एकदम vertical खड़ा था पीछे, and almost twice the height of the other waves. बाकी सारे waves से almost double था इसका height, with a frightful breaking crust, और इसका crust, the topmost part of the waves that was about to break. So really it was a fearful sight. The narrator was really frightened. Let us see what happened afterwards. We will examine it in the next part of the videos. So please students, like and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching it. Thank you very much. Thank you.